everybody, what's going on? It's freaking hot today. Well, today I just went and got me a detachable steering wheel. So here it is right here. Gives it a mess. I was about to get started, but I figured why not record it? So not this one, but this is what it came with right here, and this piece, and then the steering wheel itself. I actually happen to have the quick release hub and the stuff for it to go on. This didn't fit, so I just using this one for now. Maybe I don't think I put it on right, but I'm gonna use this one from now from the other steering wheel. And that quick release came from my 93 over here. I'm no longer using because the engine's done. I'm gonna get rid of it. I'll give a full look at it when I'm done with this. And also, I didn't lower my car. It's pretty low. It looks super low on the grass, but and then I didn't finish this side, which I'm gonna finish right now after I do the steering wheel. You can see the difference. Oh. See, this one's lower than that side, so I just need one more coilover to put on there. And so here's the other Honda. Yeah, I'll give you guys a look at it when I'm done with the steering wheel though. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this steering wheel right here and go ahead and start putting this one on. But first I need to take out my battery, or not take off the negative. So let me go do that. Alright, so I got the wheel off. It's right here. And there's the horn and airbag. Now, from what I understand, you're supposed to do this with your negative off because the airbag will possibly come out. And what I use to take this off on my 96 is a 19 millimeter bolt. See if I can get that focused. And I use this right here so it can come out easier. I don't even know what you really call this, but it helped pull it out because I was trying to use this, but I couldn't turn it because it was too deep in there and I didn't have enough room to turn it. So now what I'm gonna do is put the detachable on right here. This is what it look like when it's on there, so I can take it off and everything. So yeah, let me get back to you guys with that. I can't really do it with camera in my hand, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off and everything and do what I gotta do. So this is what it looks like on the car. Looks pretty dope. I'm going to paint this red to match the hub, to match the steering wheel. I'm going for like a gray, black, and red type thing. And I do want to put this in. This looks way better than just this, but I don't know. Or maybe I might get like a custom made sticker and put it right here or something. I'm gonna go ahead and just get ready to jack my car up, and so I can put the last coilover on there, and then officially have it lowered all around. I think first I'm gonna clean all this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go out and do that. Pull the car up from the back and go around. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and show you guys my 93. Oh shit. Alright, so here's my 93. I got this car for this, actually the same price I got for the car I'm driving now, $800. I had so many plans for this car. I had so many plans. It came with a detachable steering wheel. It was already lowered. I don't know what kind of it's not coilovers, but they're. My bad. My son came out here to ask me something, but I had a whole bunch of plans for this car. I had painted the middle part black, where the armrest goes and all that. I was gonna paint the dash. I was gonna get new seats, get new carpet, get the molding, all that done right here. I had so many plans and so many things in mind to do for the car, but now it's just sitting here in the back because the engine is knocking, and I didn't have the money to go ahead and get a new engine, and on top of that, get it rebuilt. I'll go ahead and grab this. Grab my tools. They even have a even also had a what do you call it? I can't even think of it all of a sudden. It also had a hell, I'm having a crazy ass brain fart right now. I cannot think of what it's called, but it's a switch to turn the whole car off. Kill switch, there you go. I hit a kill switch in the car. It came with that. Everything else though was stock, I think including the engine. I don't know what kind of engine it was. I never really paid attention to the exact engine it was. But me and this car came a long way, and it just abruptly stopped because the engine died. So yeah, let me show you guys the engine. Really nothing special. I think everything's just plain stock. Other than that, it was a great car. The only thing I hated though is how low it was, or how low it is. Like, this thing is low. I mean, my car is low, but damn, this thing is like every dip, every crack in the road I felt. It was like so freaking annoying. But anyways, right now I'm gonna move the car around to the front so I can have flat ground, not grass, so I jack it up, and then lower this side of the car. And then that should be it. Yeah, so let me go ahead and start cleaning up everything, and then I'm gonna head to the front. I'll get right back to you guys. I went ahead and put the coilovers on. I don't like it really made much of a difference, honestly. Maybe I just need to lower it. Yeah, it's too easy to get in there with 2 fingers. I was trying to keep it at 2 finger length. 2 finger length, and right here, I'm barely getting 1 finger now. But it's just the way I am. I think on the driveway, cause right here, 2 fingers, and then right here also 2 fingers. I think I might have to stiffen up the coilovers though, because they're a little bouncy. But yeah, and I still need to get to doing this. I need to cut out the grill already, but I think I'm gonna do that probably this weekend or something. I don't know. The car really needs a car wash. I know that. But other than that, yeah, the car's coming along pretty good. It's coming out pretty damn good. I'm gonna start working under the hood though. Start doing some things for under the hood, like maybe get a cold air intake, get some new spark plugs. Maybe some more cables too, spark plug cables. I don't know, just start getting the hood more. I need to change the oil, definitely change the oil. I think I got an oil leak from my oil pan. Go ahead and get a new seal for it. But man, overall, the car's coming out pretty good. And then I just need to get a new headrest. I don't know if you can see right there, missing the headrest. Headrest, and I need to do a few other things to the car. I think I'm gonna do a detailed cleaning on the inside also, cause I still got like a lot of like dust and crumbs and stuff on the floor, everything. So I need to get all these tools out and take the steering wheel stuff out. Honestly, one thing I really am look into. Oh shit! One thing I'm really looking into is getting a paint job. Like, this car is really beat up from the scratches and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this car put together. Like, this stuff right here needs to go. All that right there just needs to go. Like, I don't like it. It looks terrible. And I do need to get it washed. Like, even when I was under the car, just fixing stuff up, there's a bunch of spider webs, spider eggs, and everything dead mosquitoes. I don't even know where they're coming from. But the car overall, it's damn, I'm dark. Overall though, the car is coming out good. So I'll get back with you guys on the next video on what I do. Right now I'm at 90 subscribers. I want to get to 100. That's my goal right now, is to get to 100 subscribers. Just need 10 more. So if you can, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Share to people. Share to your friends, family. Comment, like, all that stuff. Other than that, I'll catch you guys later on the next video. Thanks for watching.